Wonderful. All right, let's start with doing this, repairing any stress damage, okay? So make sure your spine is pulled up very tightly and stretched very straight. Your right arm is going to stretch straight up, and you're going to take your thumb and cross it over the palm, put it beneath your little finger. So we're going to spread the other fingers out. Now your left hand is extended out at a 60-degree angle, and again your thumb is going to be connected to the space beneath the little finger. So the right arm is straight up, facing forward, the fingers are spread apart, and then the left hand is a little bit forward and at a 60-degree angle. Your eyes are at the tip of your nose, and you're just simply going to let the breath adjust itself. So we're connecting into a frequency. We're connecting into a frequency through the right arm as well as the left. Anytime we work with straight up 90 degrees, we're working very specific with very specific energy. We're working with energy that flows straight into the heart, and it's also stimulating your pineal gland. And we're also working with the diagonal force, which removes obstacles, and that's what the left arm is doing. The right arm is essentially our earthly side, and the left arm is the heavenly side. Right arm is masculine, left is feminine. So keep up and breathe. Keep your gaze at the tip of the nose. This is going to pressurize certain things in the body to repair stress damage. So keep going. Keep your elbows straight. This is going to work very, very specifically on your kidneys and your adrenal glands. And so it helps. This is where the repair from the damage that stress can create, especially long-term stress or stress that is not managed. It will help to repair it. So it's pressurizing the kidneys, the adrenals, and it's also very much helping the heart. So breathe long and deep. When we have intense long-term stress, it starts to typically manifest in the lower regions initially. Dysfunction of digestion, you may have ulcers, you may just have just dysfunction of digestion in general. Maybe there's a sexual energy dysfunction. There can also appear rashes of the skin. So this is a great way to help to repair that and also to support the heart, because the heart is in direct alignment with this lower portion of the energy centers, the lower triangle of the body. So the heart tends to take a lot of the heat from this intense imbalance from long-term stress. So this is very repairing and healing and soothing for your heart. So keep going. Try to hold your arms perfectly still. We're not here for very long. And keep your eyes gazing downward, and try to look even further down past your nose towards your upper lip. So really direct the eyes downward. Lock yourself into these two frequency streams, the right arm straight up, the left arm out at a 60-degree angle, and keep your thumbs crossed over to the mercury point on beneath the little finger. This is an area of communication, and we're working with putting our ego into a positive neutral pole. Keep your spine very straight. We have 1 more minute to go. Okay, inhale. And exhale, relax. Slowly and gently shake the arms out. Shake your hands. Shake your fingers. Just distribute.